Hi everyone. Welcome to Tech Fix's How to Guide IT YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to speed up your Windows PC using Task Manager and how to stop startup pop-ups that slow down your computer. First, let's understand what Task Manager is. It's a built-in tool in Windows that shows you the processes, programs, and services that are running on your computer. To open Task Manager, right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager, or press Ctrl+Shift+ESC. Here, you'll see the Performance tab that shows you the CPU, memory, disk, and network usage of your computer. You can use Task Manager to identify the programs and processes that are using the most resources and slowing down your computer. Now, let's talk about how to stop startup pop-ups. These are programs that start automatically when you turn on your computer and can slow down your computer's startup time. To stop them, go to the Startup tab in Task Manager. Here, you'll see a list of programs that start automatically. You can disable a program by selecting it and clicking Disable. This will prevent the program from starting up the next time you turn on your computer. Be careful when disabling startup programs, as some programs may be necessary for your computer to function properly. If you're not sure which programs to disable, it's best to leave them enabled or consult a professional. Finally, let's talk about how to use Task Manager to speed up your computer. You can identify the programs that are using the most resources and end them to free up system resources. You can also prioritize high-priority programs and set affinity to specific CPU cores to improve performance. That's it for today's video on how to speed up your Windows PC using Task Manager and how to stop startup pop-ups. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more How to Guide IT videos.